Hello children, my name is Rashi. Welcome to our channel. Today we will be starting with our exercise 2.3 of chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Linear Equations in One Variable. Class 8th. We have already done exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Now let's start with exercise 2.3. Question number 1 is okay, so the question is solve the following equations and check your results. Solve the following equations and check your results. Question number 1 is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. So children, in these questions, the variable is on the both sides of the equation. LHS also and RHS also. In exercise 2.1, we solved the equations in which variable was only on one side. But in these questions, variable is on both the sides. Okay, so we need to transpose it to the one side. Now let's see how. And also we have to check the result. Let's see how we will check the result also. So in this question, we know that this is the LHS left hand side and this is the RHS right hand side of the equation. Now we can see 3x on the left hand side and 2x plus 18 on the right hand side. So ये जो 2x है ये भी हम left side पे ले जा सकते हैं. We can transpose 2x. Why? Because then we can equate x and x and हमारे पास 1 time x बच जाएगा so that हम x की value निकाल सकें. So we have to take 2x to the LHS. 2x is positive. RHS में 2x is positive. So LHS जाके it will become negative. So 3x as it is minus 2x equals to as it is and 18 as it is. Alright, so we transposed 2x to the LHS. Why? Because we can equate x and x now. Okay, now 3x minus 2x is nothing but x. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1x is x only. So x is 18. So we got the value of x, 18. So what we did, we transposed the variable part to one side. Alright, but now we have to check also. So in order to check whether our answer is right or not, we will put the value of x in LHS and RHS separately. LHS is 3x, okay, and RHS is 2x plus 18. Okay, so 3x में we have to put the value of x which is 18. Alright, and in this question also we have to put the value of x, 2x plus 18. Alright, now 3 into 18. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5. So 54 आ गया LHS. Now let's see RHS same आता है या नहीं. 8 2s are 16. 6 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. So 36 plus 18. Now 36 plus 18 is 6 plus 8 is 14. So 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So again we got 54. It means that our answer is right. If LHS is not equal to RHS, it means हमने कहीं पे मिस्टेक कर दी है. But here LHS is giving us RHS same answer, so that's why it means that our answer is right. The value of x is 18 only. This is correct. Alright, so this was our question number 1. Now let's come to the next question. Now question number 2 is 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. Now again variable is on the both sides, LHS and RHS. So we will take the variable on one side and constants on one side. So we can see that 3t will be transposed to the LHS. Also minus 3 will be transposed to the RHS. Why? Because ये constant term है, constant with constant, variable with variable. So 5t as it is, 3t इधर positive है, so when it will be transposed it will become negative. So minus 3t equals to as it is minus 5 as it is. Now minus 3 यहाँ पे LHS में है, so when it will be transposed to the RHS it will become plus 3. Alright, this step is clear. 3t plus में था तो minus में हो गया. Similarly 3 minus में था तो plus में हो गया. Now 5t minus 3t is nothing but 2t. 5 minus 3 is 2 equals to minus 5 plus 3. प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है तो 5 minus 3 is 2 एंड साइन आता है बिग डिजिट का. बिग डिजिट इज 5, सो minus 2 आ गया. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ t, 2 is in multiplication with t, so when it will be transposed it will become in division. So t equals to minus 2 upon 2. Alright, 2 से 2 गया, 1 बचा. So value of t is minus 1. But here our answer is not complete. We need to check whether our answer is right or not. So to check our answer, we will take LHS and RHS separately. Alright, LHS is 5t minus 3, RHS is 3t minus 5. Alright, now we have to put the value of t, which is minus 1. So 5 minus 1 minus 3 and 3 minus 1 minus 5. Alright, now 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3. Okay, minus minus होता है प्लस और साइन आता है माइनस का. So प्लस हो जाएगा. 5 plus 3 is 8 and minus का साइन. Similarly 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5 as it is. So again minus minus plus and sign minus का. So 5 plus 3 is again 8 and sign minus का, which means that our answer is right. Why? Because LHS is equal to RHS. Alright, so it means our answer is perfect. T is minus 1 only. Okay, so this was our question number 2. Now let's come to the next question. Now question number 3 is 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. Now we know our first step. Our first step is to take the variable terms on one side and constant terms on the other side. So 5x as it is. Now 3x will be transposed and 3x is positive, so it means it will become negative. Equals to as it is. Now 5 as it is, and now 9. 9 will be transposed to the RHS and 9 is positive right now. So 9 will become negative. Minus 9. 5 minus 9. Alright. Now 5x minus 3x will give us 2x equals to as it is, and 5 minus 9 will give us प्लस माइनस होता है माइनस और साइन बिग डिजिट का. सो 9 minus 5 is 4 but negative. Why? Because 9 is greater than 5. That's why हमने 9 का साइन लगाया. Okay. Now for the value of x, 2 will be divided. So x equals to minus 4 upon 2 and 2 2s are 4. So value of x is nothing but minus 2. But right now this is not the solution. We have to check also whether our answer is right or not. So for that we will write LHS, which is 5x plus 9, and RHS, which is 5 plus 3x. So this will be, now we have to put the value of x, which is minus 2. So 5 minus 2 plus 9 and 5 plus 3 into minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9. Alright. And minus 10 plus 9 is plus minus minus, means 10 minus 9 is 1, and sign big digit ka, which is 10. So minus 1. Okay. Similarly 3 2s are 6, but minus 6 because minus 2 hai. So 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 is plus minus minus. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and sign big digit ka, big digit hai 6. So negative. Now which means that again LHS equals to RHS. This means that our answer is right. X is minus 2 only. So we have checked our answer also. So with this we have completed our question number 3. Now let's come to the next question. Now children, question number 4. Says 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. Now again our first step is to take the variable terms on one side and constant terms on the other side. So 4z as it is, 2z is positive, so it will become negative when it will be transposed. Equal to as it is, 6 as it is, and positive 3 tha to negative 3. Alright, so we have transposed both the terms. Now let's solve. 4z minus 2z is nothing but 2z. 4 minus 2 is 2. Equals to 6 minus 3 is 3. So value of z comes out to be 3 upon 2. Why? Because 2 was in multiplication, so it will become in division. Okay. So the value of z is 3 upon 2. But we need to check whether our answer is right or not. So for that we will put the value of z in LHS and in RHS, and we'll check whether it comes out to be same or not. So LHS is 4z plus 3 and RHS is 6 plus 2z. Now put the value of z, 4 3 upon 2 plus 3. Now this was the value of z, 3 upon 2. So we put the value of z. Similarly 6 plus 2, 3 upon 2. Okay, so here also the value of z is 3 upon 2. So now we know that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 3 2s are hota hai 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, and here 2 se 2 cut, 6 plus 3 is again 9. So LHS equals to RHS, which means that our answer is right. The value of Z is 3 upon 2 only. Okay, because LHS comes out to be 9 and RHS also comes out to be 9. So it means our answer is right. Okay, so this was our question number 4. Now let's come to the next question. Now children, question number 5. 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. So now again we will transpose the variable terms and the constant terms. So 2x as it is, x is negative on the RHS, so it will become positive when it will be transposed. Equal to as it is, 14 as it is. Now minus 1 था तो plus 1. Okay, so ये हो गया हमारा transposing the terms. Now 2x plus x is 3x and 14 plus 1 is 15. Now 3 is in multiplication, so x equals to 15 divided by 3, and we know that 3 5s are होता है 15. So the value of x is 5. Now we will check. So LHS is 2x minus 1 and RHS is 14 minus x. So put the value of x, which is 5. So 2 into 5 minus 1 and 14 minus 5. Alright, 2 into 5 is 10. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. And 14 minus 5 is again 9. So it means that again LHS equals to RHS. So it means our answer is right. The value of x is nothing but 5. So this was our question number 5. Now let's come to the next question. Now question number 6. Question number 6 of exercise 2.3 is so you see children, the concept is same for solving the equations. It's just that we have to transpose the terms according to the question. So question number 6 is 8x plus 4 equals to 3 into x minus 1 plus 3. 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Yeah, 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So we have to solve this equation and check our answer. Now in this equation we can see two variables, but also we can see a number which we can multiply by the variable, so that only then we can transpose this term. No, first we will open the brackets and then we will transpose the variable terms. So to open the brackets we will multiply 3 by x first, and then we will multiply 3 by minus y. Okay, so 8x as it is plus 4 as it is equal to as it is. Now 3 into x is 3x. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Okay, so in this step we just open the brackets. Now we can solve both these terms because both are constant terms. So 8x as it is plus 4 as it is equal to as it is 3x as it is and minus 3 plus 7. So plus minus minus 7 minus 3 is 4 and sign big digit का big digit है 7 so positive sign. Okay, now we got this equation and now we can transpose the variable terms and constant terms. So 8x as it is minus 3x, why? Because here 3x was positive, equals to as it is 4 as it is minus 4, why? Because here 4 was positive, इधर 4 positive था so negative हो गया and here 3x was positive so negative हो गया. ठीक है, now till here the concept is clear. Now 8x minus 3x is 5x. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5x equals to 4 minus 4 children cut हो गया and 0 आ गया. 4 minus 4 is 0. So 5x equals to 0. Now 5 is in multiplication. तो अब 0 से कुछ भी डिवाइड होगा आंसर तो 0 ही आएगा. So it means x equals to 0 upon 5. So x equals to 0. Now the value of x comes out to be 0. Now we will check. So to check we will write LHS 8x plus 4 and we will write RHS 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So now LHS is 8x plus 4. So x was 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4. ये तो हो गया हमारा LHS है. 8 into 0 is 0. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Now LHS is 4. Now we will check whether RHS is 4 or not. So for that, first we will multiply 3 by x and 3 by minus 1. So 3x, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and plus 7. Alright, now plus minus minus, so 4 again and sign positive. So 3x plus 4 आया. Now we will put the value of x. Alright, first we will solve, then we will put the value of x. So 3, 0 plus 4 and 3 into 0 is again 0. So 0 plus 4 is 4. So again now LHS equals to RHS. So LHS equals to RHS, which means that our answer is correct. X की value in this question is 0. Okay, so this was our question number 6. Now children, question number 7 is x equals to 4 upon 5 x plus 10. Okay, this is the question. Now we know we have variable on both the sides, but first we have to open the bracket. We have to solve the RHS first. So there are two methods children to solve this equation. First is we can just multiply 4 by 5 by x and then 4 by 5 by 10. Okay, and the second method is what we can do, 4 upon 5 यहाँ पे है is in multiplication, right? So 5 इधर जाके multiply हो जाएगा because 5 divide हो रहा है, so इधर shift होगा तो multiply होगा, so 5x हो जाएगा ये, and 4 हम अंदर multiply कर दें, उससे क्या होगा, हमारे fraction नहीं बनेंगे. Okay, so we are doing this second method only. हम simply इसको bracket को open नहीं कर रहे, we are taking 5 on the LHS and 4 multiplying with x plus 10. Okay, we can divide this fraction. 5 को हम उधर ले गए and 4 को multiply कर दिया. देखते हैं कैसे. 5 उधर गया multiply हुआ, so it becomes 5x. Alright, equals to, now इधर रह गया 4 because 5 is transposed. Now 4, so 4 into x and 4 into 10. 4 into x and 4 into 10. So 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 10 is 40. So this becomes our equation. I hope this is clear. अब ये equation बहुत simple बन गई. How? Because हमने 5 को multiply किया x से और 4 को हमने multiply किया x plus 10 से. So हमारी fraction नहीं आई कुछ भी. ठीक है? So 5x equals to 4x plus 40. Now 4x is positive, so it will be transposed and it will become negative. So 5x minus 4x equals to 40. So this is our transposing done. Now we will solve. 5x minus 4x is x. So x की value आ गई 40. Now we will check our answer. So for that we will write LHS, which is x, and RHS, which is 4 upon 5 x plus 10. So now LHS is x and x की value आई 40. It means LHS तो 40 हो गया. Now we have to check whether RHS is 40 or not. Now for that we will put the value of x, which is 40. Okay, 40 plus 10. Okay, because it was x plus 10, so 40 plus 10, and 40 plus 10 is 50. 4 upon 5 into 50. Now we know that 5 tens are 50 होता है and 4 tens are 40. So we again got 40, which means LHS is equals to RHS. So it means that our answer x equals to 40 is again correct. So children, you see हमने क्या किया, we divided this fraction. हमने 5 को x में multiply किया because यहाँ पे division में था and we are transposing 5. So 5 multiply हो गया x से and 4 multiply हो गया x plus 10 से. And why we did this? क्योंकि हमने easy बना लिया इस question को. fraction में कुछ भी नहीं रहा. और अगर हम पूरा 4/5 x से मल्टीप्लाई करते, देन 4/5 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते तो फ्रैक्शन में आता. ठीक है? सो वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व द इक्वेशन एंड देन ट्रांसपोज द टर्म्स. ऑलराइट, सो दिस वाज आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. So children, this was our question number 7. Now question number 8, 9 and 10 we'll be discussing in our next video. Till then, revise all the questions, and if you have any problem you can ask in the comment section below. Alright, and stay tuned for my next video. In that video we'll be discussing the rest 3 questions and starting with exercise 2.4 as well. So thank you.